kidney 1 is a deeply calming point, and it can be used to get rid of excess energy. So it's good for headaches, and this is a good point to ease foot, leg, and back pain. A gentle massage here before bed will also be very useful. So kidney 1 is located in between the second and third toes, so you travel up in between, past the ball of the foot, about 1/3 of the way up the foot, and right around here is where the point will be. You can hold this point for 1 to 3 minutes until the client feels some relief. This is a really relaxing point for anyone who's a runner or who is on their feet a lot. This is going to be a key point that you can do on yourself or that you can do to clients and work into your foot massages. The 3 whites points is a good one for heel pain, ankle pain, plantar fasciitis, and also bone spurs. It's referred to as the 3 whites because it's located around where the red of the foot will disappear into white. So with this one, you're on the sides of the heels like this. You can do this on yourself, or you can also do it during your foot massages. I like to place 2 thumbs down on either side of the heel, and then I'll do a reinforced fingertip on top like this, and then I'll press down for 1 to 3 minutes, depending what my fingers can do that day. Contact all 3 points, and then wait for a relaxation. With this one, you can use a firmer pressure, and I find most people are able to take that. Hold this point, and then once it feels like there's some relaxation around the Achilles tendon and the ankle or down the foot, you can slowly release this point, and that is the 3 whites. After you've done the 3 whites, don't forget about the center point in the heel. This is used a lot in foot reflexology, and it's a really, really awesome point for ankle or foot pain. So press down in that area. If you find it's too hard on your thumbs, take 1 fingertip, reinforce, and then press in. And here you could use a firmer pressure as well. You could even use the point of your elbow for this area and it would be fine. So you'd want to massage in a clockwise motion for relaxation. After you've done that for about 1 minute, stop. Use a static pressure for about 30 seconds, and then slowly release your pressure from the area. The technique that I like to finish the foot off with is a double point technique. So you do this on both feet. So in between the first and second metatarsal, you're going to find liver 3. In between the 4th and 5th toe, you're going to follow that up in between, just slightly higher, and that's gallbladder 41. With these 2 points, you can massage back and forth in between those metatarsals. You'll feel in between the bones. You'll be in this kind of webbing area. That's what it's going to feel like. You're going to do both of these for about 2 minutes and do it on both feet. This is incredibly relieving for neck pain and also for foot pain.